James Edward Harden Jr., professionally known as James Harden, was born on 26th of August 1989. Today is celebrating his birthday of 35 years. He is an American professional basketball player for Los Angeles Clippers in National Basketball Association (NBA). He is widely regarded as one of the greatest scorer and shooting guard in NBA history. In 2021, Harden was honored as of league's top 75 player by being named to the NBA 70th anniversary team. Harden played college basketball for Arizona State Sun Devil, where he was named a consensus All-American and Pac-10 Players of the Year in 2009. Harden was selected with the third overall pick in 2009 NBA draft by the Oklahoma City Thunder. In 2012, he was named NBA Sixth Man of the Year and helped Oklahoma City reach the NBA Final, where they lost to the Miami Heat in 5 games. After the Thunder refused to offer him a max contract extension, Harden was unwilling to take a pay cut and was subsequently traded to the Houston Rockets before the 2012-2013 season. From 2009 to 2012, Harden played for Oklahoma City Thunder. From 2012 to 2021, he played for Houston Rockets. For 2021 to 2022, he played for Brooklyn Nets. From 2022 to 2023, he played for Philadelphia 76ers. From 2023 to today, he's playing for Los Angeles Clippers. Wishing happy birthday to James Harden. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any suggestion, write it to the comment. Take care. Have a nice day. Kuri uyu munsi tariki 23 z'ukwa munani mu 1989 nibwo James Edward Harden Jr yavutse. Akaba azwi cyane nka James Harden. Uyu munsi yagiye isabukuru y'imyaka 35. Akaba ari umukinnyi wa basketball uri gukinira Los Angeles Clippers muri NBA, shampiyona ya America Basketball. Akaba afatwa nk'umwe mu bazi gutsinda muri basketball babayeho muri NBA mu mateka. Mwaka wa 2021, Harden yashyizwe ku rutonde rw'abakinnyi 75 bakomeye muri NBA, aza ku mwanya 75. James Harden yakiniye Oklahoma City kuva 2009 kugera 2012, akinira Houston Rockets kuva 2012 kugera 2021, akinira Brooklyn Nets kuva 2021 kugera 2022, akinira Philadelphia Sixers kuva 2022 kugera 2023, kuva 2023 kugeza iki gihe ari gukinira Los Angeles Clippers. Wakoze kubana nanjye, nagusaba kandi like na subscribe ujye umenya amakuru agezweho. Igitekerezo cyangwa inyunganizi wanyu muri comment urakoze.